What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live in HD with no ads. 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Got 5 different breaks for you tonight. 3 boxes of the 2012 Momentum, 2012 Limited, and a 2011 Gold Standard. Gonna start off with the 2012 Limited tonight. This one a division break. Everybody gonna get their own division. Grab that list. We'll randomize it 5 times and then paste it against the list of teams that we have on the website. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list. Paste it against the list we have on the site. And there is your roster for the Limited. 2 newcomers joining us, Damon and Robert. Welcome, guys. Glad to have you. And here is the Limited. This one, a 1-pack. 7 cards per pack. I'm going to be 3 hits per box with at least 1 autograph. Alright, good luck, everybody. For the Bengals, BenJarvus Green-Ellis. Legend for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. That one numbered to 349, going to Ted. Rookie for the Redskins, Alfred Morris. That one numbered to 299, also going to Ted. First hit, very nice. Ryan Tannehill on card rookie autograph. The Phenom plate patch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. A very nice Dolphins going to Tad tonight. And that one is numbered 131 out of 199. Congratulations. For the Redskins, a London Fletcher jumbo patch. Looks like that one's got all kinds of dirt on it. Redskins going to Tad also tonight. This one a short print numbered 39 out of 49. And for the Bills, blue chip game used, jersey patch. Actually, that might be, let me take a look real quick. I believe that is part of his glove, not a jersey patch. I think it's a glove patch. And Bills also going to Tad tonight. This one, a short print numbered 33 out of 49. And for the Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. And that'll do it for the Limited. Up next, we have the 2011 Gold Standard. Excuse me, this one a division break as well. Gonna randomize the list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is the roster for the Gold Standard. I'll give you a minute to look it over. Gold standard gonna be 1 pack, 12 cards, 7 numbered base, and 5 hits. And there's our checklist. We'll start bottom card first. For the Bears, Walter Payton. That one numbered to 299, going to Chris B. Patriots, Tom Brady. That one at 299, going to James L. Rookie for the Texans, Brooks Reed to 299, going to Ted. Rams legend Marshall Faulk to 299, going to John B tonight. Rookie for the Vikings, Stephen Burton to 299, going to Chris. For the Ravens, rookie Tyrod Taylor to 299, going to John W. Chargers of Vincent Jackson to 299, going to Pat K. And a rookie for the Patriots, Ryan Mallett. That one to 299, going to James L. First hit is going to the Bengals, an AJ Green gold leaf rookie patch. Very nice. Bengals going to John W. That one numbered to 195 out of 299. Congratulations, John. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews, game use patch. Chargers going to Pat. That one a short print numbered 2 out of 49. For the Redskins, Leonard Hankerson on card rookie autograph 2-color patch. A little bit of gold stitching on the right. Redskins going to Jonathan A. That one numbered 476 out of 525. Congratulations for the Titans. Akeem Ayers, a rookie autograph. That one a 499. Going to Tad tonight. And for the Redskins, rookie Evan Royster. That one numbered to 499. Going to Jonathan. That'll do it for the gold standard. Up next, box 1 of the Momentum. And there are the 16 names that bought in. I'm going to do 2 rosters, one for Group A, one for Group B. We'll do Group A first. Going to randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that list, paste it against the list on the website. There is a Group A. And we'll do the same for Group B. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there is the roster for Momentum box number 1. I'll give you a minute to look it over. Momentum going to be 10 packs, 3 cards per pack. Every card gonna have every pack gonna have 1 hit. We'll pull 10 hits per box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We'll start with the back card first. For the Bears, Jay Cutler. Niners, Michael Crabtree. And a first hit. Seems to be his night so far. For the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Rookie auto triple patch. The Dolphins going to Angelo L. Nice hit, Angelo. And that one numbered 107 out of 399. For the Falcons, Michael Turner. Vikings, Percy Harvin. And for the Bills, a rookie autograph for Stephen Gilmore. Bills also going to Angelo. This one a short print, numbered 33 out of 99. For the Buccaneers, Michael Williams. For the Lions, Matthew Stafford. And it feels like we have a printing plate under here. 101 going to the Cowboys, Dez Bryant. Very cool. That one, again, a 101 printing plate. Cowboys going to Tad tonight. Nice hit, Tad. Very cool. For the Saints, Darren Sproles. Raiders, Darren McFadden. And a rookie autograph for the Vikings, Greg Childs. Vikings going to Deborah L. That one number 25 out of 49. Excuse me. For the Jets, Mark Sanchez. Ravens, Joe Flacco. And a rookie autograph for the Steelers, David DeCastro. Steelers going to Tad tonight. This one numbered 143 out of 399. For the Broncos, Peyton Manning. Jets, Sean Green. And a rookie patch for the Rams, Chris Givens. That one going to Dean C. Numbered 83 out of 249. For the Bengals, AJ Green. Packers, Charles Woodson. And a rookie patch for the Niners, Michael James. Niners going to Tad tonight. That one numbered 149 out of 375. Three packs to go in box one. Chiefs, Peyton Hillis. Jets, Tim Tebow. And a jersey patch for a legend, Charlie Taylor. That one for the Redskins, numbered to 199. Redskins going to Terry H. For the Bengals, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. Buccaneers, LeGarrette Blount. Rookie auto for the Dolphins, Oliver Vernon. Dolphins going to Angelo. That one numbered 423 out of 799. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Eagles, Michael Vick. And for the Cowboys, rookie autograph for James Hanna. That one numbered to $7.99, going to Tad. That'll do it for box one. Let's get our roster for box number two. And there are the 16 names. Gonna do two rosters. We'll do Group A first. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that, paste it against the list on the website. There is Group A. We'll do the same for Group B. Randomize the list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that, paste it against Group B as we have it on the website. There's the roster for Momentum Box 2. I'll give you a minute to look it over. Alright, good luck everybody. Here we go, box 2. For the Jets, Antonio Holmes. Niners, Frank Gore. Rookie auto. For the Bucks, Najee Good. And that one numbered to $7.99. Buccaneers going to Terry H. For the Steelers, Troy Polamalu. Bills, Steven Johnson. And a redemption. Momentum rookie signatures, card number 204, Brandon Bolden. I'll have to look that one up. Don't know that one off the top of my head. I just want to say Patriots, but I'm not sure. For the Patriots, Jabbar Gaffney. Ravens, Ray Rice. And for the Buccaneers, very nice, Doug Martin, rookie auto triple patch. Bucks going to Terry H tonight. Nice hit, Terry. That one numbered 388 out of 399. For the Packers, Charles Woodson. Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. And a rookie, a dual patch. A little two-color black on the bottom there. For the Jags, Justin Blackman. Jags going to John B. That one a short print, 26 out of 49. Nice hit, John. For the Bucks, LeGarrette Blount. Texans, Matt Schaub. Rookie autograph for the Colts, Chandler Harnish. Colts going to Angelo. That one numbered 610 out of 799. For the Eagles, Michael Vick. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. And a rookie auto for the Eagles, Fletcher Cox. That one going to Dean C. Number 230 out of 399. For the Niners, Michael Crabtree. Giants, Eli Manning. And a rookie dual patch, running back Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. Broncos going to John B. That one numbered to 21 out of 199. For the Vikings, Percy Harvin. Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. And a triple patch. This one will go to left or right. For the Jags, Justin Blackman. Cardinals, Michael Floyd. And Titans, Kendall Wright. That one will go to the Jags. So John B. getting that one. It's a short print numbered to 53 out of 99. 2 packs to go in box 2. And we'll get into box 3. For the Panthers, Cam Newton. Redskins, Fred Davis. And a jersey patch for a Buccaneers legend, Keyshawn Johnson. Bucks going to Terry H. That one numbered 66 out of 199. Congratulations, Terry. Last pack of box 2. For the Bears, Brandon Marshall. Jets, Tim Tebow. Rookie auto for the Steelers, Marquez Mays. That one numbered to 799, going to Frank M. Alright, box number 3. There are the 16 names. We'll do a Group A first. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that, paste it against the list on the website. There is Group A. And we'll do the same for Group B. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is a roster for Momentum box number 3. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go, box number 3. Tough one. For the Broncos, Peyton Manning. For the Jags, Maurice Jones-Drew. And a rookie patch, Broncos quarterback, Brock Osweiler. Broncos going to Frank M. That one numbered to 153 out of 375. For the Bengals, A.J. Green. Rams, Sam Bradford. And a jersey patch for Ravens, Joe Flacco. Ravens going to Daniel C. Numbered 170 out of 199. For For the Chiefs, Peyton Hillis. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Rookie autograph for the Titans, Mike Martin. Number to 799, going to Tad tonight. Bengals, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Rookie auto for the Cowboys, James Hanna. That one to 799, going to Brian F. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Texans, Arian Foster. And a rookie auto, a triple patch for Jaguars receiver Justin Blackman. Jags going to Frank M. This one numbered 258 out of 399. Congratulations, Frank. Bears, Jay Cutler. Buccaneers, Vincent Jackson. Rookie auto for the Jets, Terrence Ganaway. That one numbered 28 out of 99. Jets going to Chris B. For the Lions, Calvin Johnson. Patriots, Jabbar Gaffney. And a rookie jumbo patch for Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Seahawks going to Tad tonight. Nice hit, Tad. That one a short print, number to 46 out of 99. Buccaneers, Mike Williams. Bears, Brandon Marshall. And a rookie autograph for Colts running back, Vic Ballard. Very nice. That one going to Frank M. Numbered 2 out of 399. For the Saints, Darren Sproles. Broncos, Von Miller. And a rookie autograph for the Buccaneers, linebacker Lavonte David. And that one numbered to 799. Young stud. That one going to Jane H. Nice hit, Jane. And the last pack of the momentum tonight. For the Jets, Mark Sanchez. Titans, Chris Johnson. And a rookie patch for a Texans receiver, Devere Posey. Texans going to Frank. And that one numbered to 300 out of 375. That'll do it for the Thursday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with the 5-box case break of the Gold Standard. Few spots left. If you haven't done so, take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.